Alright, we're gonna be playing Underground Apes today. Hold on. Alright, does it work, right? Alright, so today I'm gonna be playing Underground Apes. Of course, you probably have never heard of this game, or you've probably heard of it, I don't know. It's a new game on the MetaQuest. It's basically just another Lethal Ape game, or something, I don't know. But I saw the backrooms on it, and I was like, oh, I want it. Well, I don't think I saw the backrooms. I think that was a different game. Well, I don't know. But I think we should get to the game now. I just don't know. Alright. Well, let's get to it. I can't. I don't know. First, we're gonna turn on my PC real quick. I have to make sure to do this entirely. But I'm in there.
Here's me. He's kind. He doesn't respond. Guys, if you see a bear, just knock it down. Someone has to
This is a bear freak.
Well, I saw the bear. I saw the bear. Is he coming? The bear is coming.
No, this is a bear freak school, bro.
The bear is back away.
But this is a bear freak school. What do you mean? This is a bear freak
Man, this is weak. This is scary.
The bear
So scary. There's some more run over here. I think I can do it. I can't do miracles. I think I can do it. Stupid.
I'm not using hacks, guys. I'm not using hacks.
I don't know if he's coming around. But I'm definitely scared. What's happening? Oh, we're in a school. Is that a bear? Where are we going? Oh no, we can't. I think the actual bear Roblox game, where I'm pretty sure bear originated. What the heck? Why did I get kicked? Whatever.
Yeah. Let's go to a
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
The best.
Yes.
The best one, Ben. Go the best one.
No,
Loud
no.
and clear.
Mama Coco's not there.
Hey,
One of them
hey,
stopped, one of them
can you
slow.
hear me? Can you hear me?
Just jump
I
down,
think
jump down.
everybody wants to go on the
Can
bench.
you hear me?
I don't know why.
There's two of them.
Yeah.
There's two of them.
You didn't tell me this shit was dark.
Oh no.
They're coming. He turned that way. One's coming. He turned that way. Behind you. Behind you. Run. 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 Run.
That's Chucky.
Oh my god, I keep getting hair marks.
That's Chucky.
All right, man.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Who is that? Oh. Who is that?
Baby, what? I mean, I'm just not the other guy.
Yo, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Man, I love this horror game. Oh, where am I? What? I just got kicked from the game. Is that what happens when you die? No, that shouldn't. Why do I keep getting kicked? That's mean. I guess you're mean. I guess you're mean to me. Alright, let's try a different map. I've never played this game before.
Where are you?
I don't know what that monster is. Whoa, what is that? What is that?
Oh my god.
Yo, what is that? Yo, what is that? Hey, yo, what is that? Bro, what is that? 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 Yeah? God. Oh, what is that? Oh, get away from me. Oh. Can I do?
Come on, God, this
You hold more like
Stay alive, bro. Stay alive. Let's go to Stay alive, bro. Stay alive.
Oh my god, this is scary. Angles. Angles are weird. Are you okay?
Oh, he's
It's in there. It's in there, bro. It's in there, bro. Bro, what is that? Is that some evil ostrich or something?
Banana.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh,
She always going wrong.
What just happened?
Get away from me.
Stay alive, bro.
Get away from me, bro.
Stay alive, bro. Stay alive.
Bro,
Stay
make
alive.
that thing get away from me.
Stay alive, bro. Stay alive. What? I remember you.
So nice of you.
Pull me!
Stay alive, bro. Stay alive.
Oh god. Oh no, it's coming from right there. It's coming from right there. What? Oh no, what's it doing?
My kitty
And you think that's like
That's so broken. His whole thing's broken. Yo, it's not even. It's not moving.
Slip jump, everybody like a slip jump.
Oh my god. Oh, I can
I
make
made it.
Whoa. I can roll climb.
Here come the guy.
Bro, it's still broken. I think his hitbox is different from.
Dummy, that's why you're not strong enough. Guys, follow me! Guys, follow me!
Oh my god. I'm stuck again.
Mr. Dad!
Just clip for us.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Where am I? Fun Monkey Horror. We're gonna go to the next map. I've never really played Fun Monkey Horror, but it's actually pretty fun, to be honest.
After eat, but I think the good map is OG Pipe Dreams and Bear.
Pipe Dreams? I've never played Pipe Dreams.
What map is everyone in?
It's the back room. The Pipe Dreams is back room.
Oh, bet. Backrooms it is.
When we first heard the noise, we just started running for our lives.
Pipe Dreams back rooms, of course. I
Where's everyone at?
Guys, don't press that because it'll send you out of the game. Yeah, and it'll send you in like Horizon.
Where's everyone at?
They've been chased.
If I ate 20,000 children, how many children would be
They've been chased.
Wait, bro, what's that? Don't be a billionaire.
What's what?
I'll eat a billion children. Yes, I would.
Low,
You'd be
Oh, a donut.
Would you kick a baby for $1?
Yes.
Nope. Would you kick a baby for $1?
It's been hard trying to catch up to you. I thought I was lost for a second.
Wait, where is everyone?
I don't know. I hear them, but don't see them.
Let's just follow their voices.
Yep.
Okay. I'm in pipe
Where
dreams.
is this monster?
Where the fuck is
Monster's
it?
not coming.
Hopefully I'll hear your voice.
Yeah.
Join.
I know it is.
Go down here.
Yo,
Why
when you
are
kick a
monsters?
egg baby for a gothic baddie,
Where's
bro.
everyone?
Come here.
I got a question. How do I level up? Because I don't know. I can't level up. It doesn't let me, bro.
Oh, I know how to
Do I
level
have
up.
like
Red
trusted user or
way.
something? Do I gotta have like trusted
Red
user?
way.
I think leveling up is impossible, bro.
Red way. Actually.
I know. I'm
way
only still
there.
at the I've been trying to see the
Red way.
Oh, I'm back at start.
Every day he has
Oh,
to-
yeah.
Dude, what?
We need to go.
just-
We need to go find everyone.
I'm hearing big back. I'm
I
hearing
heard,
big back.
I heard it 50 miles
Let's
away
go
from
find
us.
them.
I just heard 50 miles away from us. You actually...
Bro, guys, where are you?
We're going...
50
We're going
miles.
in
Oh,
circles
shit.
right now, bro.
Yes, let's go.
Bro, what the fuck?
Wait,
We're
wait,
going in
wrap it up.
circles.
We're going in
Let's go.
circles at that
Oh, I found
point,
them! I found
What's
them!
up?
So come back out! Ow!
What's up,
Come
boy?
back out! Where is he? Oh, you! Yeah, where is he, guys? I'm the
Yeah, go
alpha.
this way.
Yeah.
I can't see
Someone
you.
you're the someone go first, bro.
Oh,
I'm not trying to.
I'm trying to stay in the middle, in the back, in the front of the group. I'm trying to not be in like the front or full back.
Yeah, I'm the second here, boy.
Who's best?
Guys, help me! Where is he?
Oh
Ain't no-
no! Oh.
Oh god. Guys,
There's no monster
guys,
here.
right behind you. I'm right behind you. You little gangsters.
There's no monster.
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah,
monster.
I know. That's what
bro.
I'm saying. There's
I
legit
just
no
saw
monster.
one. I just
There's
saw
no
one,
feet
then I
toucher.
started
Feet toucher
running.
isn't here yet.
Help.
The feet
Help.
toucher isn't here
Help.
yet.
When I split up from you
There's
guys,
no
I
one
saw a
there.
monster, then
What
I
are you
was running.
screaming out for? There's no one there.
We're going to the same spot, bro. I saw the
Come on back in
monster.
the
I
circle.
can't see.
Yeah,
Keep going.
we're back
Go,
in
my
the
niggas,
circle.
go.
Lead us where it is. Lead us where it is.
Charge!
Ain't no way you follow that.
Charge! Clash Royale! Bro, shut up.
Ah, dude.
Clash Royale! Clash Royale, everyone!
So this way. Yeah, we gotta go. We don't want to go.
Yo, let's stay in the same spot so the monster can get us. Let's stay in the same spot. Stay here, right here. Stay right here. Right, come on. Right. Stay over here. Stay over here, gang. Hey, stay over here.
Hold
over
on,
here.
I'm playing.
Fucking no. Okay. Stay
heck
right
no.
here. Monster could come that way or that way or that way.
Exactly.
It's-
Alright, guys, we're back after a long while. Probably been like 2 hours since, but I mean,
Guys, so happy today. Summer.
and there's probably gonna be a lot more people because if people at school,
Everybody go to
it's
skyscraper.
probably they're probably out of school by now. So everyone wants to do this.
Skyscraper, you mean?
Alright, so
I'm gonna go to skyscraper.
ooh, skyscraper. Everybody's saying we're gonna go there, so let's do this. Alright, I'm here, so hold on.
I'm so scared. This is the 8th floor. What the hell?
Okay,
Of course.
let's do this.
So let's be out of this path right here. I'm too scared. I'm quitting.
No, I don't like this.
Floor
Anyway,
8?
like I was saying,
What do you mean
this is the
4
8th
8?
floor.
Can you go down?
Guys,
Where's the monster?
Oh yeah, I don't know
Oh,
where it
sorry.
is. He's the boiled one, by the way.
With the
I'm fucking
boiled
scared
one?
now. Wait, 7 and 6.
Yeah, he's at the roof.
Oh my god, bro. Get out!
Oh, this is where it spawns.
I'm actually
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck was that?
That's
I
the
don't
boiler.
like that.
Where is it? Bro, I think it's coming. I think it's coming.
Oh shit, he is! You can get in
Yo,
here.
he's coming.
He's
He's
down
coming.
below us.
He's
He is
he's
fucking
down.
below us. Dude, don't. He's down below us.
He's coming.
Yo, we're gonna do Naughty, and whoever doesn't do Naughty first has to go down there. Naughty.
Guys, where are you guys? Guys, I'm getting kidnapped.
Yo, I am not
fucking
going to. He's there. He's right 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 there. He's literally right there. He's literally right there. I just saw a red glow.
Just right there.
Dog. He's upstairs. 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 He's literally upstairs. He's upstairs.
Come on down. Come down now. Come down now.
He's so tall.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you
Of
go?
course he is, bro.
Yo,
Go
I'm on.
down. Go all the way to go to 4-1. Go all the way to 4-1.
Okay, bet.
4-0.
Dude, I don't like
That's a
this.
safe place. You can go under the stairs.
Alright, I'm in floor 1.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm at
I'm
floor
floor
1.
one.
I'm at floor 1. Right behind you.
Dude,
Oh,
we just escaped them.
I literally.
There's more. Hold up. Come on.
There's more? What do you mean there's more?
Oh
Oh,
no.
I'm already at floor.
Guys, come on. Let's go back up there.
Floor.
dude, if I see the boiled one, I'm gonna cook some eggs, dog.
If you see the boiled one, you're gonna cook eggs. Okay, if I see the boiled one, I'm gonna eat.
Y'all, if I see the boiled one, I'm probably boiled. Get it? I'm cooked. So I'm boiled.
Oh, okay. So that's what you mean. Okay, I see. I
Uh,
see. What the fuck? Yo, bro, y'all are some serious.
Run! Run! He's here. He's here.
He ain't coming. He ain't
He's
coming.
right there.
He ain't coming. He ain't
He's
coming.
right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
You can sit right here.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Go, go, run.
He's coming. Yeah, I'm dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
We're dead. We're dead.
We're just dead. We're scared.
Double coat. He's right there. He's literally right there. Guys, he's literally right there. He's literally on top of us. He's literally right. Oh crap. Is it there? I can't see anything. Turn off his damn light, bro. Bro, just kill me already, dog. Because I'm.
No, then we're freaking. Oh yeah, he's like. Oh, there's the last and you. Okay.
Yeah, bro,
Oh
without
my God.
GG.
Hey, is that floor 1?
Yeah, he's at 4-1. Everyone, we're gonna go up. Follow me. Yo, bro, come on. Come on.
Get back. I'm running with you, bro.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, I am. Wait, you guys are. I want to go. There's nothing there.
No, he was fucking chasing us.
What? Oh, yeah, man. Oh, I am.
What?
Why is he so tall?
We made it.
My
What's
heart's racing so
Can I join you
bad.
guys? Can I join you guys?
Okay, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I
What do you
regret
mean
it.
from me?
I want to be a dog.
Because
I
we're not
don't
joining
know
a
how to
code
do
or
that.
anything.
Guys,
What is
hopefully,
it?
yeah. Ah! He's right there!
51? What?
I'm gonna scream for life.
Oh,
What?
for
Oh,
this.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I ain't
Wait, what the heck? Go, go, go. Alright, that's enough for this level. Oh my god.
Sorry, I left you.
Yeah. Huh, where am I? Alrighty, let's go back to the game. And let's have some fun and monkey horror. Get it? Fun monkey horror? Man, I'm bad at these jokes.
How much is it? 24. $25 bills? Yo.
Where's Grandma Coco? Where's Grandma Coco at?
I don't know. Might be at CrossFit.
I have server.
Yeah. No. Wait, I have that.
Let me get my server boosting.
Wait, Mama Coco?
Boy, is that you?
Wait,
Yo, can
do
speak.
you mean Mama Coco's
Yeah.
here?
When are we gonna do freaking whatever it's called, the freaking
I know, but
the
how
facility?
do I change my name? Come on.
I don't think. No, I've done cross space. Oh. We're not doing crawl space. Without a doubt. No! No! Oh, heck no.
I can't smell
Can't
you.
see, move! I'm not leaving until I become a pink. Move, I can't see! You move!
We haven't done
Nah.
facility. Whee! Facility. Wait, so where is everyone? Where's room 3?
Or you.
I guess people really like that one map with the monster ostrich. Let's see if there's anybody in there. Unless everybody's like asleep right now and everybody's like, really fun time. See, like everything really has different times.
Two.
Oh, no, I don't feel like it.
One of my friends
Now,
that I would play
Quest.
with,
Wait, I'm not.
not on Meta,
yeah.
but on
Okay.
Roblox,
I'm ready.
is like 3 hours ahead of me, and we only get to play for like an hour. Or it'll be like 11 p.m. and then
Two.
the mine.
It's
They're
impossible
going
to
blue.
help him, guys. You can't help
I don't know if anybody's in
Yeah.
there.
Actually, I'm playing this in Derpinus.
Open it.
What is that? Bro, what is that? Oh, what is that? What is that? What is Kane? What is Kane and what are you? Oh my god, don't do that! Good.
Oh shit!
This game is not for you.
How is that funny?
Thank you.
He's gonna.
Mr. McCurry, come back here, bro. Open it.
Oh, he just got slime down.
You close the door,
Oh no. Yes.
Diddy's not coming. Well, Diddy's not coming. He's too scared. Yo, what's Diddy? What's
Where we going?
Right there.
Diddy.
Minnie. Diddy going on my elmow's dick. Elmow's work.
Wonder.
The 5-year-old kid. That's me. You're Diddy Mouse. You're Diddy Mouse.
Open the door.
No.
Elmow's work.
Do that.
Your mom, come here.
Where everyone go?
It's
My
me.
No.
Oh, I just hit the jackpot.
Dying. You killed me. Dad, you killed me again.
It's time to go. I'm so lucky.
Ski.
No,
I'm Usain Bolt. I'm actually Usain Bolt. Holy.
6,
We have
7.
to find a way out.
6,
We have to
7.
find a way out.
I turned into Usain Bolt, and this little dumbass killed us. Holy.
Doggy's good.
Diddler.
Did I got door open? Chicken Juki.
We close the door, don't open it.
Everyone that's saying
No, don't close the door. Close the door.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
gonna
close
put
it.
you to the Discord.
Guys, she's so ugly.
Shut up.
Shut up. That's coming ugly.
Bro, what is Kane doing, bro? That's literally Kane from Amazing Digital Circus. Bro. Is this FNAF or what?
What did I do to you? Sign.
Cheapest.
Sign. Sign.
Shenanigans.
What? Sign.
Make him go through the store. Make him go through that door, the other side door.
Let us out. I see the lightning. My hands, bro.
Who wants to eat me?
Poop pics.
I think he went that way.
I bet her poop is crushed it up, bro.
Yo, what's king?
Today we can record it.
Looks like we're trapped here forever.
Yes.
Until then.
Guys, stop. My dog is over
Oh,
here.
You shut up.
Ooh,
You shut up.
He's over here.
He's over here.
I bet. Recently, I lost my dog and I left to bite people. That's
I bet.
our asses, alright?
I bet.
Sign.
Yo, Elmo,
Fine.
yeah, bro.
What did I do to you? Why you keep killing me? Sign, bud. Sign. He's not coming. He's not coming.
I bet.
Maybe he is coming. Maybe he is coming. Maybe he is coming.
Open the door. Open the door. Good boy.
What's the password? I'll tell you the password.
Good boy.
Let my dog inside. He's scared, guys. Let my dog inside. He's scared.
Yo, let's
You mean Kane from the Amazing Digital
My dog
Circus
is
dog?
scared. Why do I do that?
Kane,
Scared.
Kane,
You
if he
can't
had
harass me.
one eye, Kane, if he had one eye,
That's
on his stomach.
Ow,
We
crap.
have to enter the password.
Oh,
You gotta
God.
stop hitting my
Bye,
dog.
Green.
The controller died.
Ouchie.
And then,
Close close the door.
My controller's working now.
No, he's not over there. He's over here. He's over here. He's over here. He's over here.
What?
No, he's over here.
No, no,
I
no,
actually
let me in, let me in.
You say
That's
no.
actually.
He's over there. No. Let's close the doors.
No, this way. He's this way.
Close.
He's this way, yeah.
He's this
Answer the
Open the door. Up in the mirror. Up in the
Oh, he went that way.
I saw the monster.
I saw the monster. He went this way. Guys, he went this way. He went this way. He went this way.
Bro, I just hit my wall. Ow.
Here,
Who's trying to close the door on this blue monkey?
he's over here.
Is he over?
I saw the girl over here. Let's go get him.
He's over there. He's over there.
I don't care. I'm not scared.
Oh my!
Open the door, guys. Open the
I'm not
door.
scared.
Over there. Monster next
I'm
to
not
you.
scared.
No, don't you dare!
I'm definitely scared. I'm definitely scared. I'm definitely scared.
Let me out! Guys, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Superman! Tomb is up. Your tomb is
over here.
Yo, guys, there's nothing.
I think he went that way.
The table stuff.
Gotta go to my work.
Ad-lib. You can't open the door, quick, guys. Open the door. He's about to die.
Wait, he's going up.
He's over here. Oh, yes.
Be ready. Be
Gracias.
ready. Be
Don't care,
ready.
you gotta take care of it.
We were.
I don't care.
Still left.
Do whatever I say.
There we go. You still left.
Who's your job, boy?
Right. Everyone leave? No? Got 10 people.
I just hope he's not gonna have no doors open now.
Let me go.
I don't care. Just do it.
He died.
dead.
He's gone?
Yes, they're dead. Yeah, they're gone.
My name is Anchor
Open the door! Open it!
No, 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 no.
Close that freaking door! Yo! I wanted to go!
Craziest trick shot.
Guys, he's after me right now. Me!
Everyone
Me!
go.
Guys, the monster's over here.
Go, close it.
My hotspot.
Yeah, the door by the way. Fuck you in. No, you're not even.
Go! It's out of the world!
I don't know where he went, but
He's trying to kill
definitely
you.
not my friend.
No. Guys, he's over here.
Oh,
Everyone's
okay. Oh my god, that was. Dude, why is he so close?
Me! Actually, get for killing my Yeah, okay. Me! Go get him! Open the door.
If you guys want,
How are
who
you?
wants
Me! He just got goons. He just got goons.
Let's go.
Go in there.
Bro, what? Oh, I got my hand cut, that's why.
Oh my god! Just run away, bro.
Just run, bro.
No, he's not here. He's not here anymore. He's not here. Find the safe zone. He's stuck in hallways. But I was not even in hallways. I was just right now.
Everyone's going to get him.
I hate him.
Scavenger hunt.
One more.
Scavenger hunt.
Just give me.
This way. Let's go this way, guys. Come on. Scavenger hunt.
Open the door.
So fun. Scavenger hunt's over.
You nerd, Black. Go get a life. Go get a job. You nerd. You nerd.
Nerd. Shut up.
Get a job.
Yes, yes, yes.
Get a job, bro.
No,
You wasted.
You 4 seconds, then.
Bro, get a job.
yes.
Instead of playing a monkey game all day, bro.
Guys, really here. Just come on.
Over here. A job.
Run! I found
No,
him! I found him, guys! I found him!
Stop believing Forsaken Tandem.
I opened both the doors. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I found him!
You
Get
nerd.
back over here!
Get a job, dude. Get a life. Or maybe a what?
Boom, ba, ba, boom,
You what?
boom, ba, ba.
What? That is on the craziest thing.
You're not living. You're not living. You're not living.
Go get a life.
Go get a life.
Bro cannot text in a life situation.
No, he don't left.
That was like the most. Oh, shit. I love this game.
He left.
I love this game, bro.
To the left, bro.
Let's go.
This little Timmy was hacked.
What
What does it mean, the app? Okay, you wanna get on these next spots?
Where you wanna go?
Come on, the app update. Why are all my app updates failing?
You don't need it. I just do.
Guys.
I'm the only one who has here.
Black, yo, Black.
Open the
Guess
door.
what?
For a reason.
What?
Nobody's not gonna open.
Open
Yo.
the door.
Yo.
Hi.
Go on.
Crush my arm. You know what? I'm gonna go the other way. Squirrel.
I'm telling you,
Hey, bro,
get over here.
I don't need social.
No, get over here.
This thing is coming.
All I need is me, myself, and I made it. Frick you, I just made it to the other end. I just made it over here because I got stuck on that side because of
Bro.
your no life no wife personality.
Because you done cheat for me.
Job.
And why is that
I
so?
think he's over there. I think he's over
Why
there.
is that crappy? Red with a pistol.
Guess
No,
what?
with a gun.
I'll play some. Get away, I'm gonna get him, go away.
That is.
Oh my God, get him. Go to store, I'm gonna get him.
I'm not going. He died.
Are you playing I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to close the door on the monster because I thought it was there.
He's still there?
He's there.
You know lifer. You know lifer. Get a job.
Bro.
Get a
shut
life.
up.
Get a life. No lifer. Still not have a life. Go get a job. Or maybe a wife.
Oh, I just.
Play peekaboo with him. Peekaboo.
Please die. Please
Peekaboo.
Run.
You know how to go get a job. Get a job. Get a life or maybe a wife.
Bro, I just saw him.
And a good and real life.
Thank you. Ow! Run! I tricked them. Yeah, open the door. He went over there, Black. He went over there. Open the door!
Where's that?
He's not even there, Brody. What are you scared? Open the door! Dumbass!
We're not gonna open
Open back! Thank you, dummy.
What the?
Yeah, I just got a
Chum bucket.
Alright, bye. I'm gonna leave.
Alright. I think it's time to move on to the next
I'm
one.
gonna play Bone Lab.
Alrighty then. I'm guessing that's gonna be one of the maps. Alrighty then. On to the last one before I crash out.
He's waiting for you, Eugene.
What? 30 minutes.
Wait, Eugene!
Probably like 8 p.m. for me, something.
I hear you.
Wait, what is this?
Let's go.
On the right, dude.
Alrighty then.
Hey, everybody go to skyscraper. Everybody go to
Wait, is Bear
Monday?
multiplayer?
Let's go get cosmetics. Let's go get
Wait,
cosmetics.
Black. Is
How do you get
Bear
cosmetics?
multiplayer or no?
I don't know.
Oh,
right here.
Save.
Not
My
multiplayer.
playback save. Oh man, I hate
Let's go
this
this
game
way
then.
instead.
Oh,
Skyscraper,
Steve.
bear.
I'm going to
Yeah,
Vans.
let's go to-
I'll go to Vans again.
Which one?
I don't think I give it much time.
Tell your viewers to report
there's
this
a lot
guy
of
for
people.
toxicity, because he told me
I
to
did
shut
tell
the
my
F word
viewers
up.
if
Wait,
they
I'm
ever
not even
see
Tim.
to
Yo,
literally.
he was talking back to me. He was talking about Discord.
Yo, yo, you're a YouTuber? Who's the YouTuber? Who's the
Kiss
YouTuber?
me, first, like in me? No, we should have this still go. We should have. I can't get a word you're saying. I'm not a toxic. She's talking to me first. I'm a boy. She was talking to me, not a she. It's a go.
That kid go. I need to find him. Oh my god.
And I was I'll get the shit when you say purple. Yo, no fucking mouth is what you're fucking
I see him. It's so dark. This ain't even. The only scary part is the anticipation of the monster.
What are you guys running from?
There's no jump scares.
Bro, you're
This is a
the
sign
reason
that
why
I wasn't cussing at her.
they're
I wasn't
angry.
cussing at her. I
They're
wasn't cussing
furious,
at her.
bro. They're furious monsters.
She was toxic. She was toxic. She was toxic. He's just trying to rage bait us, but that clearly won't work. Because we're too smart for them.
Guys, I'm the Fast and Furious.
See.
Bye, Red. We're just the first one to lead it is always gonna die and always be left behind. Yo, shut the fuck up.
Hello, motherfuckers. Who the fuck is the monster, bitch? Yeah, hello, motherfuckers. Yo, the monster, bitch. You said I was gonna die. You said I was gonna die. I didn't die. You said I was gonna die first. Well, I wasn't fucking real. What you talking about, bitch? I didn't fucking die. Run like the wind. Run like the wind. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I'm coming fucking coming. Oh, never mind. It is. Go. Where the fuck is it? Hey, Monkey, we gotta go! Don't get Yo, I'm getting fucking turned. Yeah. I'm gonna catch me. I'm gonna teach you about the cat. What pain when I took this anchor? What pain when I took this anchor? Oh my god! Oh my god! No, the monster!
Oh, it's not coming.
No, he's gonna come.
Oh, he's frozen. He's frozen. He's frozen. He's frozen. Oh crap. Oh, what the heck? I'm back.
Guys,
Nothing great.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Can you pick me up or drop?
No? I guess. I didn't have much time to play more levels, but I mean, if you guys could, you could give me some new video ideas to do, and we'll do them. Alright, then. That's it.
You can't turn it off. Shut up.
I'll see you guys in the next video.
Holy crap.
Adios.